At EVIT, our apprenticeship programs fast-track you to a stable, high-paying career while you train. EVIT offers apprenticeships in Airframe Mechanics, Electrician, Plumber, Heating and Air Conditioning Mechanics and Installation, and Structural Metal Fabrication and Fitter that provide structured, on-the-job training and instruction from professionals that lead to industry-recognized certifications, all while earning a paycheck. Here's what you should know about apprenticeships. It is required in some trades. You can earn a paycheck while you are learning. They help you avoid student debt. They provide a direct path to journeyman status. They range from 3,100 to 8,000 on-the-job training hours. They require 400 to 600 classroom hours. Whether you're a high school student preparing for the workforce or an adult seeking a new career, our apprenticeship programs provide an affordable, practical way to achieve your goals. Getting started is easy. You will need to do the following: complete a pre-apprenticeship, fill out an application, interview with partner companies, and once hired, work until the apprenticeship is completed. Start building your future today. Learn more at evit.edu. Your future, your way at EVIT.